From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at Bitcoin. You can see we've had a pretty negative candlestick for the trading session. And really, at this point, it looks to me like we are running out of momentum slightly. But that's, is it really a huge surprise? We started at 15,000 at the beginning of November. And, just a handful of months later, here we are at 60,000. So I think a pullback does make sense. 55,000 will be your first support level, followed by 50, where we have the 50-day EMA. 45 would be supportive as well. So I think one of these levels, we will get a daily supportive candle that we can start buying. So I'm just simply going to wait for the daily close to get involved on something that looks like it's bouncing. If we broke below 40, then the 200-day probably has something to say. But if we break below 40, then I think things get ugly. That's $16,000 away, so I don't expect to see that in the short term, but that's kind of my longer term thinking. I think that we are simply getting a little bit of profit taking. 60 continues to be major issues, but eventually we should break through there.